Hi baby, I'm Rachelocoolmua. I'm a pro makeup artist and oh my gosh, this is my first YouTube video. If you're here from my TikTok, hello, how are you? I'm so happy you followed me here to the big screen. Look at my setup. It's like I feel like a real YouTuber. I'm excited. Okay, today we are going to master the basics of eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lashes for your hooded eyes. This is the first part in a... This is the first part in a 6-part series I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. I have a video on my TikTok, Rachelocoolmua, all about how to identify what eye shape you have, but I'm gonna bring the tutorials over to YouTube because, come on, I just need a little bit more time to get a little bit more in depth and make sure that all the information that's in my head goes to you, the beautiful eye haver. I'm gonna try to do 2 eye shapes a week, but please give me time. I have to find the models, I have to plan out what I'm gonna do. I'm like, I'll do a lot of stress here. Hooded eyes are incredibly beautiful, so I'm not looking to change the shape. We have a beautiful opportunity to really make them look super snatched and lifted. Since the weight of a hooded eye is usually concentrated more down towards the lid, my main goal, using shapes and lines, is to lift it up and pull it out, creating more balance and more harmony on your eye. I'm not trying to tell the eye where to go. I'm trying to have the eye tell me where to go. I'm teaching you how to listen to your face, because if you really listen, it's talking to you. And since we can't really play with the lid, it's telling me up and out. All right, let's get right into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Please give it a like if you like, subscribe if you want to. Oh my gosh, I've been making so many more videos. I'm so excited. Let's go. This is my beautiful roommate and bestest friend, Noelle. She has incredibly beautiful hooded eyes. And remember, hooded eyes are when that layer of skin is folded over the lid, making the lid not visible. All right, we're starting with an eyeshadow shade closest to your skin tone and a big fluffy brush. I call that the cat paw brush because it looks like a cat paw. We're just going to pack that all over the lid. It's going to set any concealer and primer you have on there. It's going to even out the skin tone, and it's letting your eye know, hey, I'm coming in. Get ready. It's eyeshadow time. An angled brush is absolutely essential for hooded eyes. It makes life so much easier, please trust me. Dip that into a shade a few shades darker than your skin tone. Essential tip number 2, do not look up, do not look down, do not tilt your head up, do not tilt your head down. Please look straight into the mirror. This keeps lines precise, accurate, and prevents the lid from eating up any of that color. Take that angled brush, follow the angle of your lower lash line, and draw a line up. Hello. It's me again. I'm going to show you a trick to listen to your face to find that angle at which you go up at. So take the handle of your eyeshadow brush. You're going to put it in the nape of your nose, like this little thing right here, like that. Connect it with the let's get in. Let me bring you in. Come here. Come to me, baby. Oh, well, I guess that's as far as we're getting. Hi. Okay. Oh, I love the lighting. Oh, now it changed. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna take the thingy-majingy, put it in the nape of your nose, connect it to the bottom or the corner of your lower lash line. Boom. That's the angle you want to follow. If you're a beginner, you can put a piece of tape there just to make sure you got it on lock. But that's generally, once you do that and then you pull back, you can kind of see. But that's how to listen to your eye shape. Dink, dink. Back to the video. Bye-bye. Now, when she tilts her head back, you'll see a gap in her eye. See, when she looks straight, the line is straight. When she tilts her head back, there is a gap. Do not fill that gap in. That line is there for a reason. I know I just said to look straight, but for this part, tilt your head back to find the hollow of your eye. This is not your lid crease, but where the shadow created by the actual ball of your eye in your skull is. I know it's weird, but it's a great tool for listening to your face. So, find that hollow, take the angled brush with the same shade, and connect our outer line with that hollow of the eye. Drawing the line up here is going to lift the weight off of the lid, balancing out the eye. Now, I know these lines are pretty graphic, but I like to lay the blueprint first for precision. Precision is very important for a hooded eye. If we just went in with a fluffy brush and a windshield wiper motions, we'd be in a very muddy state, let me tell you. Okay, now I'm going in with that first brush and I'm lightly blending out my lines. I'm using a tapping motion. I'm being very light with this because, like I said, I want to keep the lines pretty precise and accurate. This is going to keep our shapes nice and not all over the place. That crease line, I'm not taking it down. I'm stopping it at just about where the pupil is because the inner corner of a hooded eye tends to be the heaviest. So keeping that angle up and not bringing it back down creates balance and keeps that weight lifted. Next, I am taking a pencil brush in a warm toned brown shade. Whatever color scheme, I recommend warm tones under your eye. If you feel like under eyeshadow makes you look like unexplainably weird, trust me, I had this problem, try warm tone, it might help. I am running that under the lower lash line, and I am dragging it up just under that first line we made, pulling it out. This snatches the eye, it lifts it, it defines it, gives you that facelift effect, and it makes liner easier later on, because that line's already drawn. We're doing it for you, come on. Now here is my oh cool flick of the wrist tip. Take whatever's left on that brush and just give a little whisper to that crease. Give that red tone a little whisper. It really marries the look together and says, hey, we are cohesive, we love it. Now go in with any brush that is semi-flat, semi-dense, and go in with any color that is a few shades lighter than your skin tone. I'm going in with this bone shade. Pack that on the lid up to that hollow line that we created. This is going to create a more three-dimensional look on the lid and give our eye some dimension. I'm going back in with just some light blending. Remember, a more natural look, blend more. A less natural look, blend less. With that same brush, I'm adding shimmer. I love shimmer. I can't have a look without shimmer, but if that's not you, then skip this step. And I'm putting that everywhere I just put my light shade, so all over the lid. Now, I don't want the lid to miss out on this shimmer shade, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and lift up the eyebrow with my finger and then pack that shimmer shade along the lid. So if she's looking anywhere but straight, if she's looking down to the side, whatever, you can still see that shimmer. Look at her! Okay, now my viral TikTok highlighter hack, highlighter above the inner crease. This is awesome for hooded eyes at creating dimension. Tilt your head back. Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. There's my hack. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, now I put shimmer on her inner corner, which looking back, I wouldn't take it that high next time because it's adding weight to her inner lid, which is what we're trying to prevent. Eyeliner. Okay, don't be scared. I'm here. We're going to take it easy. Take an angled brush into a shadow first. This is going to prevent transferring, smudging, and easy mistake cleanup. Look straight into the mirror. Draw a line following your lower lash line up on that line that we already created. Thank you, past self. You're making it easy. Thank you for the blueprint. Draw that line up. Okay, now breathe. Look straight into the mirror. Get that hand steady. Okay, we're going in. Rachel, get your hand out of the way. Okay, now take that line and draw it straight in. Do not accommodate for any lid or any crease. I want you to bulldoze over that lid, baby. Be assertive. This will prevent any Nike swoop liner, any like thing that's too swoopy doopy whoopy loopy. No, we want a straight line. So draw that line straight. I like to take it about 3/4 of the way in. You can bring it in as far as you want, but remember, the further you bring it in, the heavier your inner line or your inner lid is going to look. Okay, we did it. Now, when you look down, you should notice a chip in the liner. It almost looks like a lightning bolt. Do not fill in that chip. It is hugging the lid so that when you look forward, it's straight. It's an optical illusion. I don't know. Ask God. We did it. We can breathe. Hallelujah. Now I am taking a black gel liner. I think it transfers at least. Liquid liner on a hooded eye, to me, it's the easiest to flip-flop and transfer all over the place, but use what you're comfortable with. And I draw a line on the bottom of that eyeshadow line. This gives the depth and color without the difficulty of liner on the whole lid. And I'm blending it out with a pencil brush just to kind of give that smoky Kylie Jenner look. Now this is just for fun. I'm taking a warm toned shimmer shade on that pencil brush and I'm running that under the eye. I just think shimmer on the under eye just adds such a little cutie patootie. I don't know. I like the way it looks. I think it looks cute. And so does she. So hey. Okay, it's lash time. She already applied mascara. I'm going to be taking this lash applier thingy, but you can just use your fingers and some Duo lash glue. I'm using her set of lashes, her own personal set. I'm going to take one full strip and cut it in half down the middle. Now you have a pair. I don't like using a full strip lash on hooded eyes because I think it undoes a lot of the work we did. It adds a lot of weight. It drags the eye down. This half lash will keep our theme of up and out. It also just looks more natural. All right, I let the glue dry 30 seconds. Now look down and lift the lid up and place the lash on the outer third of the eye. Okay, you better lift that lid up though. Trust. Now I am squeezing the lash band and her lashes together just to make sure the band is as close to the lash line as possible. And here you can see it adds a beautiful definition. It looks really, really good. But if we had taken that lash all the way in, it would have been hitting her lid. It'd be very uncomfortable. It would have really weighed the eye down. So I think half lashes are the way to go for hooded eyes. Okay, here we go. Look at how gorgeous she is. I am so lucky to have a best friend with hooded eyes because even as a graduated makeup artist, I would do her makeup and something would just be off. I remember the first time I did her makeup, I did so much lid work. I spent so much time. And then at the end, she looked up and poof, it disappeared. I'm like, oh, okay, we're working with something different here. But through time and practice and her letting me do her makeup any chance I could get, I really think we got a good thing going. I think she looks absolutely gorgeous. She loves every time I do her makeup. And now hooded eyes are my favorite eyes to do because I think they're just so beautiful and it's so fun to play with lines and shadows and optical illusions. I think it's really, really cool. Okay, that's it. See, that wasn't so bad. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. We got through it together. Now, this is an everyday, very basic look, but you can intensify it. You can de-intensify it. You can use different colors. You can add embellishments. You can take away some stuff. It's yours. It's yours to play with. I'm just giving you a blueprint of tips and tricks that help me. If you try this look, please tag me in it in your TikTok, Instagram, whatever. I want to see. When people tell me that they use my tips in their everyday makeup routine, it makes my heart sing and go straight up to the moon, straight back down, straight up to the moon. It makes me so happy and excited. I'm just happy. Okay, and I want to see how good you look. You guys are my friends, really. I want to see. So show me. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'm going to be making videos out the wazoo. I'm so excited. And yeah, what am I going to say? What's my outro? Bye. Au revoir. I'm going to work on that, but yeah, okay. Bye.